Yeah, so just chilling here. We're editing the video, so say hi.
Hi.
Even though I didn't do anything today, except for take the kids to church and drive to Annapolis for no reason, my energy levels are pretty low. I still don't have any headaches or nausea or cramping, anything like that. Just a little bit of you know, mental struggles. I'm also not motivated to do much as well.
Do you really need all that motivation to lay on the couch? Want your help?
Ah, shut up. Anyway, as we get further and further along and more days have passed, it'll start to be exciting. Because like I said in a previous video, the more days you have, the stronger the streak feels. It feels like a record, like I'm Cal Ripken breaking the longest game record.